Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Mercury credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser in order to get started. In the search box at the top, type in Mercury credit card login. Press the enter on your keyboard and you'll be taken to this page. From the search results displayed on this page, you can click on this first link that you see, Mercury Rewards Credit Card. Click on the Login at mercurycards.com button and you'll be able to see that the login area is being displayed in the right hand side. Go and type in your username in the first text box. Head over to the next field and type in your password correct. If you'd like the system to remember your username, you can click on this Remember Me box, but if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, make sure to leave this unchecked. If you'd like to activate your card, you can click on this Activate My Card link. In case you've forgotten your username, click on this Forgot Username link and follow the instructions to look for it. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next, click on Forgot Your Password link and follow the instructions. Finally, after typing in all of your credentials correct, click on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into your Mercury credit card account quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.